Right, ready?
I don't know. It usually takes me like a practice round in order to get it.
Tell us a little bit. Tell us first of all your name and how old you are, and tell us a little bit about your coffee shop.
My name's Emma, I'm 23. My coffee shop is located in Newport on the Isle of Wight, and we sell the roasting party coffee. We have mostly takeaway and lots of retail coffee beans and home brewing equipment. We opened in the start of June 2021, and so we're still in our first year and we're establishing ourselves in the community. But yeah, so far it's been amazing.
So Emma wanted to take photographs on film of her coffee shop, and Emma asked if I could help her out, and of course I said yes.
Oh.
That's it, let's go and shoot some photographs, eh? I offered for her to shoot medium format as she'd never done so before, and it was interesting to see her shoot medium format for the very first time. At the same time, I also took photographs of Emma working the camera and the coffee shop. And then the lens will open and then it'll close after a second. Hand straight off. Done. Shot done.
Well done! I got into photography almost straight away into film photography. I have never owned a digital camera. I got into it through music, basically. When I was studying in Falmouth about 5-6 years ago, my friend showed me her film shots, and I thought that looks such a good vibe. So we went to our local camera store and got the cheapest point and shoots, and we used that as a promotional media for our music, just to go alongside it. And from there I progressed from point and shoots to 35mm manual cameras, and yeah, I'm still learning as I go.
Emma was at first fascinated how the image in the viewfinder was reversed, and she had trouble trying to compose her shots, but she soon got used to it. I asked her at such a young age why she shoots film and not digital.
I think there was just something that drew me towards film. I think it looked really beautiful to my eye. I liked how it almost looked nostalgic, and I felt that I could understand a film camera more than I could understand a digital camera, because it was one single button. It was very tactile. I really like the way that you can see the film, put it in, and just the whole process of it is just beautiful to me. So I've spent a lot of money getting my shots developed. So hopefully this year I will be developing my black and white film, at least at home. That's my goal for this year. But yeah, at the moment I just trust the professionals and that they'll get the best out of my shots. Try and support independent film labs. For now, yeah, that's where I'm at.
The coffee shop is very small, so manoeuvring the camera and tripod for angles was a challenge. She suddenly realised that she needed to step up a bit to look through the viewfinder for certain compositions, which didn't seem to faze her at all. I was taking black and white photographs of Emma pushing Orwo UN54 to 400.
Recently, like local musicians and friends have asked me to take photos of them for like their band promotional shoots, and yeah, the first one I ever did, I kind of guessed, and I thought, well, Portra, I've heard is good for portraits. 400 seems like a good speed to use in the weather that was going to happen, and it worked really well. I got the photos back and I was just loved the look, I loved how their skin tones looked. So yeah, that's my go-to for portraits. I think it's a beautiful film. Make that look real. I found my dad's old camera, it was a Casina, and that was my first manual camera. I did my first couple years of playing around and stuff on. And then that broke. I asked Roger what's a good camera to get next, maybe like a step up, and he recommended the Olympus OM20. It's the one he uses sometimes, and I've really loved it. It's just, yeah, I really like that it's got aperture priority, and then it's got, yeah, I've just really got used to using it and I haven't got any complaints with it at all.
I took an LED light panel but really didn't need to use it as the light was quite nice coming in from the window and I could bounce the light using a reflector.
I actually have used this a lot more recently just because it's so light, and I feel like I won't worry if I drop it or anything. This is more for if I'm going out shooting for someone else, but for me and memories and things that need a flash also, this is a really easy, I just think that's so cool. And it's got a great flash. I actually haven't got any photos back from this, but I'm really excited to see what they look like.
At the same time helping Emma, I was learning about colour film as well. I didn't realise that I needed to put a filter on the lens in a tungsten lit shop. James Lane from Zone Imaging pointed this out when he developed and scanned the film.
I would like to take photos of the shop for the Roasting Party's Instagram, and I thought what a great excuse to learn more about medium format and how they look, and I think it will just really suit this kind of shoot. So yeah, Roger's gonna teach me more about using a medium format camera and setting up shots and a little bit of metering, so I'm really excited.
We spent nearly 2 hours taking these photographs, and once I'd showed Emma how to use the camera, the tripod and the light meter, she was on her own, leaving me to take more photographs on my camera and a few of Emma on the Mamiya, photographs which she had requested. She also wanted photographs of the shop outside and someone walking by blurred. It was pretty quiet on the streets, so I got my moment of fame. So I'll leave you with the photographs that we took. I think it's important that we offer help to any photographer reaching out, film or digital, especially the youngsters. I could see Emma really enjoyed her time shooting medium format and learning exposures and metering. So I'll leave you with the images that we both took, and a massive thanks to James Lane of Zone Imaging for turning the development around so quickly. Why didn't I develop her film? Oh, behave!